Fortnite crashing hard PC crash fix. Recent Reddit reports from August 15th, 2026 describe Fortnite freezing or crashing the entire PC after only a few minutes, even when drivers and Windows are updated. Number 1. Verify Fortnite game files. Open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library and find Fortnite. Click the three dots, Manage. Select Verify. Wait for verification to finish and launch Fortnite. Number 2. Switch DirectX rendering mode. Open Fortnite and go to Settings. Open the video settings. Find rendering mode. Try DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12. Restart Fortnite after changing the setting. Nudge 3. Update or reinstall GPU drivers. Open your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics software. Check for the latest available driver. Install the latest stable driver. Restart your PC after installation. Test Fortnite again. Number 4. Disable overlays. Disable the Epic Games overlay if enabled. Turn off Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA/AMD in-game overlays. Turn off Xbox Game Bar temporarily. Restart Fortnite and test the game. Nudge 5. Clear Fortnite cache. Close Fortnite in Epic Games Launcher. Press Windows R. Open Sent Local App Data Bar Sent. Find the Fortnite Epic cache folders and clear temporary cache data. Restart Windows and launch Fortnite. Lower graphics settings. Open Fortnite settings video. Set the graphics preset to low, medium. Reduce shadows, effects, and view distance. Apply the settings and restart the game. Check whether the crashing continues. Number 7. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary applications before launching Fortnite. Temporarily close recording and streaming software. Close RGB and hardware monitoring utilities. Disable unnecessary performance tuning applications. Launch Fortnite again. Dark 8. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the Fortnite installation folder. Locate the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup Repair utility. Run the repair option if available. Restart your PC afterward. Launch Fortnite through Epic Games Launcher. 9. Update Windows. Open Windows Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install available updates. Restart your PC before testing Fortnite. 10. Reinstall Fortnite. Uninstall Fortnite if the crashes continue. Restart your computer. Install Fortnite again through Epic Games Launcher. Make sure the installation drive has enough free space. Launch the fresh installation and test it.